Let's hope we don't see anything like that, but we are under a flash flood watch tomorrow through Tuesday evening for the potential of some flash flooding here in East Tennessee. We'll keep a close eye on that. Right now, Storm Tracker 6 not showing anything overly heavy, just some moderate rainfall up through Campbell County, the I-75 corridor right now as you go up from Clinton, Anderson County northward through La Follette, almost up to the Kentucky border. Some patches of heavy rain there. Also between Maryville and Gatlinburg right now on the border between Sevier and Blount County and northern edge of the plateau, Fentress and Pickett counties. All this kind of drifting off towards the northwest at about 20 miles per hour. A little bit wider view, and again, you can see there's a bit of a break for now, basically down through McMinn County, southward towards Chattanooga and Hamilton County, but that will fill in back towards the south as more of this moisture continues to rotate through. And a wider view of this can kind of paint the picture as to why we're seeing this. One, there's a cold front right here that's moving through the west middle part of the state. That's sliding east, and it's pulling up all this moisture, which is in part from tropical depression now, Lee, that's going to be slowly drifting to the north. So it's kind of a moisture sandwich, if you will, of rainfall coming right up through the Gulf of Mexico, heading through the Tennessee Valley. And that's going to increase our rain opportunities as we go through the night tonight and also through the day tomorrow. In fact, still looking at the threat for some locally heavy rain tomorrow. That's why a flash flood watch will be posted. 2 to 4 inches on average with some higher amounts possible. We'll get to that in just a minute. But temperatures right now at 71 with some light rain. We're about 68 tomorrow morning, 90% coverage tomorrow morning through lunchtime. So rain's still a pretty good bet at that time. And then the coverage starts to dwindle just a little bit by the afternoon hours by 3 o'clock. But still, we'll see rain around in 75 degrees. Here's what it's looked like the past 12 hours, and look how the showers just blossomed late afternoon into the evening and continue at this point. Again, we may see a bit of a break over the next couple of hours, but it will fill in a bit as we go through the overnight time frame. Here's what it looks like on 6 timeline as we take you into tomorrow morning. Here comes a batch of some of that heavier rainfall at the 7 o'clock hour, continuing through lunchtime, right on up through 3 o'clock as well. So still a pretty good bet of some of those showers and some embedded thunder showers. 6 o'clock slowly starting to taper off this first batch, and looks pretty good for most areas on the plateau by 11 by that time. Here are the estimated rainfall amounts from today, what fell today, through tomorrow as well. Some 2 to 4 inch amounts on average. Again, not exact, but these are just forecasted amounts, so something we'll keep a very close eye on. That's why a flash flood watch has been issued across the area from tomorrow morning at 8 through 8 o'clock tomorrow night as well. Quickly, I wanted to point this out. Tropical depression Lee looks like it's going to kind of meander through the southeast and fall apart a bit, but will still influence our weather through the first part of next week, keeping rain chances around through at least Wednesday with some cooler temperatures.